Why does your scanner show the P0687 engine code? What does it mean? P0687 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power relay control circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an overvoltage condition in its power relay control circuit. This malfunction can lead to symptoms such as a check engine light, a no-start condition, decreased engine power, or engine misfires. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty PCM power relay. Wiring or connector issues. Overcharging alternator. Failed ECM or PCM. Defective ignition switch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen and Saab vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.